A very good morning, dear children. How are you all? I'm sure you all are fine. Please take care of yourselves. Okay? Today we are going to start with a very easy topic. Most of you know about this topic. So please don't get confused about it. We shall discuss and it will become easier to you. Okay? So now let us see what is the topic. Before that, we all know a good day starts with a good thought. So here we are with our thought. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So children, it is you who can conquer the whole world. So everything is within you. All power lies within you. Clear? Okay, so here we are with the topic articles. Isn't it easy, children? I'm sure they are easy. Which are the articles? A, an, and the. And I'm sure most of you know how to use, where to use, when to use these articles. But still, we will just do once. Is that really very hard, A and the? Not at all, isn't it, children? Not at all. Okay. What is an article? First, let us start with the definition of the word. What is an article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. Okay? We always put the article before a noun. But again, there are few exceptions that we will come later on. First, let us start with the definition that article comes before a noun, like the boy, a bee, an apple. Okay? So, boy, bee, apple, all these are nouns and the articles are coming before the noun. Which are the three articles? A, and the. Okay? Now we come with the indefinite articles. So we can again define the articles into two parts. One is the definite article and one is the indefinite article. Okay, so first we will start with the indefinite article, a or an. Which one do I choose? How to use a or an? Used before words beginning with the consonant sound. What? A. So a, the article a, is used before words beginning with the consonant sound. For example, a man. M is a consonant. Children, I am sure you all are clear about the consonants and the vowels. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O and U. So 5 vowels are there. Rest all are consonants, right? So we use the article A before the consonant sound. Children, see. Here the word is consonant sound, not consonant letter. So we have to identify whether the sound that we are making is consonant or vowel. Okay. So a man, a lamp, a cat, all these are making consonant sounds. So we are using the article a in front of these words. When do we use an? An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay? Before the so an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Again, sound, vowel, sound. Okay? Be careful about this word, sound, not the letter. An apple, an eraser, an umbrella. See here, these examples we can see that all the letters are also vowels. So they will automatically, they are sounding vowels over here. But for example, let us take another example, R, H-O-U-R, R. We are not pronouncing it hour, right? So what sound are we getting? R. So starting with O, O, hour, O-U-R, hour. right? So the pronunciation is our. So it's starting with a vowel sound O. That is why we use an hour and not a hour. Is it clear? We will come to that point. First, let us be here that we use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Clear? Now let us come to the rules one by one. Again, we have come to how to use a or an. See, usage. A is used before words beginning with a consonant sound. We have already done that. A lamp, a man, a cat. An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple, an eraser, an umbrella. Okay? Now see. A or an should agree with the first sound in the adjectives or the adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. As I told you, it should agree, it will depend upon the first sound of the adjective or the adjective adverb combination that we are using before the noun. An 80-year-old man. 80, if we take it in the number, in the words, then we will see EIGHT, right? An 80-year-old man. A golden necklace. A pretty girl. Clear? So, these are the adjectives which are defining the noun. So, depending upon the adjectives, the first letter of the adjective or the adjective adverb combination, we will put the article. Understood? Now see. Use a before words or letters or numbers which sound like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. I told you, I gave an example of a vowel sound, but now here I'll give you an example wherein the word is starting with a vowel, but it is sounding like a consonant. Like a euro. Euro. U, what is the spelling of U? Y-O-U. Right? So, U, when we say U, we start with Y. So, when I say euro, even if it is starting with E, the pronunciation is coming that of Y. U, ro, U, Y-O-U, U. That is why we put A. Again, university. U is a vowel, but university, again Y-O-U. So, Y is a consonant, so we are putting A. Okay. So, again same case, a one. W, one. One, what is the spelling of one? When we win something, the past tense of win is one. W-O-N, one. Here also we say one. Right? A one. So, W is not a vowel, it is a consonant. So, the article is A. In the same way, if a word starts with a consonant, but it sounds like a vowel, we start with an. Use an before words, letters, numbers. I'm sorry, children. Numbers which sound like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. I already gave an example of an R. It starts with H, but the H is silent. And F, A-F. The pronunciation comes F, A-F. Okay, A is a vowel. And 8. Again, 8, A is coming in the pronunciation. Okay, clear till here all of you?